Howdy, Possum Patty here, and I'm gratitude journaling. Today I went to visit my mother, and it was such a lovely ride. The temperature has been about 20 degrees above normal. There was still some color left on the trees, and we put the top down on our convertible. My journal page for today is going to be about being thankful for the New England's 4 seasons. I'm a real New England gal, and I love the change of seasons. I love each season and the change going from one season to the other. When I lived in Pennsylvania, they only had 3 seasons. I learned that living on a farm. First there was winter, when everything was frozen. And then, as things started to thaw, it was mud season. And then as it warmed up some more, it was fly season. And it stayed fly season until everything froze again in the winter. But here in New England, I enjoy the 4 seasons. So on today's page, I think I'm going to put a background piece of paper. This is junk mail. Has my name and address on the other side, so I'll cut that off. And I'm going to put down a background of white, but I'm going to put some watercolor on it. And in this AARP magazine I got the other day, there was a beautiful fall foliage picture. I'm going to cut off the mountains because we don't have mountains with snow right now. So I'm going to cut this off and put it on the page and then paint a different sky. So I'm going to start working on that, and then I'll be right back. All I did was glue down the beautiful fall foliage there and put a little bit of blue watercolor on a white background. I'm going to put this aside and let it dry. And while that's drying, let me empty my book here. I really love my cover, and I changed the heavy beads to just a few beads and a scraggly tassel over here. But there's one thing on this cover that's been bothering me, and that's this leaf. And I think I'm going to take some acrylic paints, because this is watercolor, and I want to paint over this leaf. So I'm going to go get some paints ready. Okay, I put a couple of acrylic colors on this little plastic lid. I don't know, there's just something about this leaf that I don't like, and it's been bothering me. I love the tree, I love the asters, even the sun I fixed up. But I don't know, I don't like this. So I'm just going to play with this leaf for a few minutes, and maybe I can brighten it up a little bit.
From Minnesota to Maine, Washington to Wisconsin, at least 17 states are now reporting all-time highs of patients hospitalized.
I think what I didn't like about the leaf was that heavy black and white line going down the veins in the middle. And I made the stem a little bit thinner, and I made it a more natural color, like a bronzy brown, which is what a lot of oak leaves turn. But I did add a couple little touches of green and orange on there. Kind of matched the rest of the cover. So I like that better than the way it was. I'm going to let that dry. And I'm going to finish my page because I am thankful for nature's beauty, the 4 seasons. these back inside the journal. And it's still a little wet. I'm going to have to let that dry. For Nature's Beauty, the 4 seasons in New England. So thanks for coming along today, and happy gratitude journaling. Bye-bye now.